Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Lovus. Good afternoon. I was contacted by a company called Lovus, L-O-V-U-S, and they asked me if I'd like to try out their commercial industrial lamppost street light. And I says, there's a new one for me. I'll try just about anything, right? Solar powered industrial commercial strength street light. I just spent about a half hour unpacking this very well packaged huge box that I just got, and they're not kidding around, man. When they're saying commercial, they're not kidding. This is like an actual street light. I just put it together. It was very easy to do. Huge bolts here, the connectors for the solar panel, right? These huge LED bulbs over here, right? And it's pretty heavy. I don't know what it's made out of, but it's very heavy. This is the large solar panel, and it's adjustable. Could pivot, swing, so that you can point the panel directly to the sun, or as close as direct sunlight as you can get. And there's the back bracket, and I'm just trying to figure out where I'm going to put this thing, you know what I mean? The only thing close that I have to something structured strong enough to hold something so heavy is my lamppost right here. This is what illuminates my deck when we want to have a barbecue at night, or we're having dinner at night. This is what illuminates the deck. It's never been strong enough. I guarantee you this is going to be strong. Now, I haven't connected the wires yet to start charging the battery yet, because something like this is not just small voltage, it's got to be high voltage, you know. So I wanted everything to be connected before I connected that thing. It also comes with a remote control where you can control the motion sensor on it, or if you want it on all the time or off all the time, or on the motion sensor. So I'm going to try to hook this up by myself. Okay, it didn't take too long. I had some power tools, so it was easy to get it on there. The tricky part was to do it all by yourself. Usually you should have a friend to help you hold it. Anyway, it's on here. I don't know if I'm going to keep it on here, you know, permanently. Just temporary, to show you how it works. To show me how it works, you know? So I set up the panels. This is the most I could get in terms of direction, because I've got the lights in the back that get in the way. The sun is right over there overhead, so it's getting plenty of sunlight, even though it's not directly pointed at it, you know? So I'm gonna connect these wires now. So I don't know how much the battery's been charged in shipping, but the sun is very hot today. It's almost 75 degrees. There's some clouds in the sky, but it's mostly all sunlight, very hot. So it's charging as we speak, I'm sure. It comes with a remote control, and even better, it comes with batteries, 2 AAAs. So here we go. Yes, we're in bright sunlight and everything, but I want to see if it turns on. So I'm going to turn on the on button, all right? They have other buttons here like auto, 3-hour, 5-hour, 8-hour settings, timing, brightness, I think, and dimming. It's really cool. So here we go. I'm going to turn it on. Wow. Wow. That's incredible, huh? All solar powered. No wires to connect to power or anything like that. A self-sustainable bright light. I think that's fantastic. I'm going to wait until it gets dark. I'm going to show you how it looks on the deck. Here we are at dusk. The sun just went down. Let's see what it looks like now. How about that, huh? A few hours of charging in the sun, nice and strong. I'm gonna try the dimming feature. See how it lowers the intensity? And now I can make it really bright by pressing the higher intensity button. This remote control also has a timer where you can do automatic. So once it gets dark, it turns on by itself. You could also time it for 3 hours, 5 hours, and 8 hours too. Let's see what it looks like later when it's pitch dark. Okay, so it's been a couple more hours and the sun is down, but it's not pitch dark yet. But this is as dark as it's gonna get around here. I've got lights around my house. Anyway, so let's see how it looks like now when it's dark. Wow, very bright. Let's do. So this item is available on Amazon.com. I'll leave a link in the description. Be sure to check it out. If you've got a small business or a storefront that doesn't have good lighting, this will do the trick. Even for your residential house, if you have a large driveway that's not well lit due to the town or a lack of lampposts, you can have your own lamppost. The 150 watt one version goes for $245.99 with free shipping, and if you wanted the 200 watt one, it's only $269.99. Available once again on Amazon.com with free shipping. Go check it out. Link is in the description. So there you go. That's my Lovus commercial lamppost spotlight. Solar powered. Very high quality, very bright at night. Thanks a lot for watching this video. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Whoa. Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.